Well, here we are in Troon, right on the west coast of Scotland, and looking across the water there to the island of Arran, where I've been and also did a video on there driving around Arran, which you'll catch on my videos. And looking across the mountains on Arran are looking fantastic, covered in snow. Look at that. It's a holiday place, Troon. Nice beach. The only thing that's missing is the good weather. Although it's nice today. Very cold though. Can't go on the beach. And coming up to this roundabout is where we want to be, the P&O ferry across the Irish Sea. Into the ferry port, and then we have to book this car in at the little hatch here. We drive up onto the ramp and then we take it right down to the end of the pier. I'm going to get some nice video of Arran mountains from here. Here we go. Okay, that's the car booked in. Now all we got to do is drive right out onto the pier, where we park it up ready for them to put it on the ferry across the Irish Sea to Northern Ireland. There's the marina, some nice boats in there. And on the other side you can look back at Troon. You can see the snow-covered mountains of Arran over there. There's the lifeboat tied up over there. Right, we've just got to unload here and park it in a bay on the right there, probably beside that red truck. Right, first thing we want to do is snap the straps. Straps off. Now I'll get the key and get this baby off. Bit precarious climbing up here. Oh, made it. It's one of these ones with the electronic handbrake, which I hate. That's it. They're okay when they work, but when they go faulty, they are big trouble. And back we go, off the truck. And I think we'll just park her down here in this bay. Well, I've got to do a delivery report as well, so that'll take a few minutes to do. Yeah, that should do nicely. I'll go and get the report and do that. Put the electronic handbrake on and the key out. Well, that's our Volkswagen Passat delivered, locked up, ready to go on the ferry. So now we've got to go back to the gate and get the paperwork signed. There's the actual pier where the ferry comes in and loads up and unloads. And there's our Volkswagen Passat sitting there, all ready to go across the Irish Sea. Get a fine view of the marina over there now on the right. Not really right into the season yet, there's quite a lot of boats there, obviously moored there for the winter. There'll probably be more arriving as the summer approaches. Right, here's the gate down here, so we'll get the paperwork signed, then we're going to stop for lunch. That's it all signed for. So we'll just turn into the little car park here and stop for some lunch. Now look at that view. Isn't that fantastic? And there you go. That's Troon, and it's lunchtime. See you again.